Hello, today we'll be going over filtering a table in a story, and exporting that filtered view into Excel. So we'll go down to the Highway V portal. We will click on the MCSAP HIAC query story that we created previously. And we'll work with the table that we put into this story here. So previously, you had to go into the source data, and from there you'd have to create a filter view and add filters to that data set, or new filtered view. But with the new functionality within Socrata, you can easily add filters to this table and then export the results of that filtering. So for example, we'll go to fiscal year, we'll go down to 2020, we'll hit apply. We'll see that our data set is shrunk down to 284 rows. We can go over and we can pick fiscal month if we want to. I want to see everything in June. So we'll hit apply again. And we'll see that our table has gone down to 42 records. And so, if we're satisfied with this, we can also add more here, so source object or charge code group and whatnot. But if we're satisfied with what we have here, what we filtered this table by, we can scroll down. And down under here, under the count of records, you'll see a little drop down that says source data. So we'll click that, and you'll see two options. You'll see export data and view source data. For this example, we're going to click export data. And so you should receive a little box that pops up that just tells you, you're going to be downloading or exporting data from this data set here. And it allows you, different formats that you can download in or export in. And then it asks you what you want to export. So you can export all 4,176 rows, or you can export the ones that you just filtered, so the 42 rows that you just filtered down to. So once we click on that, we'll hit export as CSV, and my browser doesn't show that it downloaded, but I know that it did. So we can go to the downloads folder here on your desktop, do a little refresh, and then we see that this data set from Socrata here with our filters applied has just downloaded to our downloads folder. So we'll double click that. When it finally pulls up, we can do a little check. Just click here and then check the number of rows and records. So the count is 42. Okay, as we had before. And then another spot check we can do is all the fiscal month is all June, and the fiscal year is 2020. Here. So, just a quick little way to filter your data set and then export those records right into Excel, so you can manipulate it in other ways, however you want. So, thank you for watching. Have a good day.